Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Franklin Templeton, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your financial goals. Define what you want to achieve. This could be saving for a vacation, buying a home, or planning for retirement. Next, assess your current financial situation. Gather all your financial documents. This includes income statements, bills, and any existing debts. Calculate your total monthly income. Make sure to include all sources, such as salary, bonuses, and rental income. Once you have your income, list your monthly expenses. Categorize them into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses include rent, mortgage, and insurance. Variable expenses consist of groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Now, subtract your total expenses from your total income. This gives you a clear picture of your financial standing. If you're overspending, identify areas to cut back. Think about where you can reduce variable costs. Next, set a realistic budget based on your findings. Use the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. After setting your budget, track your spending regularly. Use financial apps or spreadsheets for convenience. This will help you stay on top of your budget. Periodically review your budget to ensure it aligns with your goals. Adjust it as necessary based on changes in income or expenses. Consider utilizing Franklin Templeton's resources. Explore their budgeting tools and investment options. These tools can provide valuable insights into your financial future. As you become more comfortable with budgeting, set aside time for financial education. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.